Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about the importance of sport in our life. Sport plays an important role in many people's life. It makes people healthy and is a good way of spending free time. In my opinion, there are several benefits of sport that people often do not consider. That is, sports are required to be healthy people, need for enjoyment, and release the stress of people. First advantage of sport for people is helping people be fit, healthy, and be fit. People cannot give up their interest in their body. I believe that not many people love themselves, no matter how beauty or angry they are. If we don't do sport, we will be forced to rust. In other words, decomposition of our body. Afterward, we may be some problem with our body when we ever need to small work. In addition, sport keep our body healthy, thus balance our body, blood pressure, and circulation. In many research done by scientists, we can prove the importance of sport for our health. Because 70% middle-aged people who did not do sport in their youth are now struggling with the problems such as high tension, trouble with circulation, and easily become tired. Besides that, the second advantage of sport for people, they are required for our daily life and company in the international area because enjoyment of sport. For example, have you ever known why people want to play football and other games? The answer may be easy, since sports are entertaining. Sometimes they can catch our attention and give us pleasure as much as we need. Moreover, if there is a sport activity when we are unhappy, we will probably be motivated and be refreshed again after the sport activity. This should be the most important benefit of sport, because many people do sport for this reason. In addition, have you even known why millions of people watch World Cup match without lifting? There might be some reason behind this action of watching football match. The most important one might be the excitement and enjoyment of sport. Due to this fact, people like sport since they and their country are able to compete and beat opponent country. And this is the most important reason to take pleasure for sport. Lastly, sport can be of great value to people who work with their brains, to people who live a sedentary lifestyle. Moreover, taking up a sport has also many psychological benefits. It releases the stresses of everyday life and help individuals identify with a group and replace their loneliness with the security of belonging. As a conclusion, sports are important in our life and gain many benefits to us. First, sports are required by many people to be fit, smart, and good looking. Second, sports are entertaining due to many facts. Last, sport can release stress for people. I hope that in the future, those people will tend to most optimistically to sport since they are the necessity in our life.